Hi traders, just want to give you an update to the key trend levels for the euro dollar now. Fed Chair Powell this morning, early morning, said that in all probability the US will raise interest rates at a lesser level in December. So the market has been moving up and we're moving back up to test last week's high. Start of the week we false broke 104.79, almost got to 10500, heavily rejected down. Is this now a rally or are we moving above this level? So let's just drop down to the 4-hour chart and have a look at price pattern that I'm watching. Alright traders, on the 4-hour chart you can see here we're rallying back up. I've drawn a fib from Monday's high to yesterday's low and we're coming up. This red dotted line, dashed line, is last week's high. We false broke that on Monday. We're coming up to retest last week's high. Can we hold there? A little bit above, 1 or 2 pips above, is a 79% fib level at 104.52. And what I'm looking at as a pattern is, well, one, are we having a 79% retracement rally to fail? And two, is this a left shoulder? Is this the head where we false broke this resistance level? And are we going to form a right shoulder here? Alright, still a bit neutral. We could break up and through and move higher, so I'm going to be watching the 15-minute chart for failure there first of all before looking for a setup to sell if it does start to hold and fail there. So are we forming a head and shoulder pattern there after we heavily sold off on Monday? It's very volatile at the moment, so I'm not just going to be selling just there on first contact. I'm going to drop down to my 50-minute chart and see if I can see price start to turn over and fail and move to the downside before looking for an opportunity to sell. Let's just drop down to the 50-minute chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, at the moment this 15-minute chart is still very much in an uptrend. You can see here that we've almost come up to last week's high, almost come up to that 79% fib level. So this is the area that I'm watching for that right shoulder to form. So through the course of the day I'm going to start to watch price action, especially when we get into the London session. You know, am I able to draw in a trend line that's tight to this area? You know, can I draw in a trend line that's tight to this area? Do I start to see a break of it and a failure for a movement back down the range?